In this video, you will discover how to edit a specific quote in just a few easy steps. There are two ways to do this. Edit directly in the quotes list or edit in the quote details page. Let's get started. To begin, let's navigate to the quotes section. In this section, you can edit the following types of quotes: approved, invoiced, draft, open, and expired. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to edit a quote directly within the quotes list in the Open tab. Click the Edit button next to the specific quote you'd like to modify. This will take you to the Edit Quote page, where you can make changes to various fields. As an example, I'll alter the expiration date value. To save your changes, click the Save and Issue button. Let's verify that the update has been applied. Success. Now, I'll illustrate how to edit a quote by accessing its designated detail page. To do so, click on the quote ID that you wish to work with. This will lead you to the Quote Details page. Locate the Edit button and click it to initiate the editing process. Mirroring the previous example, I'll edit the expiration date value. Congratulations! We've successfully edited a specific quote in two distinct ways. Want to learn more tips and tricks on how to use Blixo? Please like and subscribe. Not a Blixo customer yet? Want to grow sales, manage subscriptions, improve retention, and automate accounting? Sign up for Blixo today by visiting Blixo.com.